Alright, let's start with the basic. What is the main difference between a vector and a scalar?
Okay, good question, Jihad. A scalar is a quantity that only has magnitude. For example, things like temperature, mass, and speed is called scalar. They are just numbers. With units but don't have direction.
But a vector has both magnitude and direction. Common examples of vector are displacement, velocity, and force. When we talk about a vector, we need to know not only how much but also in which direction.
Right.
Technical problem.
So if I say I'm moving at a 5 meter per second, that's a speed. That's a speed, a scalar. But if I say I'm moving at a 5 meter per second, going to the east, then that is a vector.
That makes sense. How about an example question? Let's say if we have a speed of 60 km per hour, can we say it's a vector?
No, that is just a scalar because it is only speed. If it was 60 km per hour and towards north, then it would become a vector, as we would have both magnitude and direction.
Another question. If I say my car is accelerating at 5 meter per second square, would that be scalar or vector?
It depends. If you just mention the acceleration like that, it's a scalar. But if you add a direction like 5 meter to east, then it becomes a vector.
I think direction is what makes the difference for a vector. Are there any vector operation that we should know about?
Yes, like addition and subtraction. You can add two vectors only if you consider their directions. For instance, if two people push a cart with equal force. Example 10 Newton, and it would cancel each other out.
And we should also know about the dot product and cross product. The dot product gives a scalar result, while the cross product gives a vector result. But that's for later in detail.
Great discussion, everyone. So to sum up, scalars have magnitude, like distance or speed, and vectors have both magnitude and direction, like displacement or velocity.
Thanks everyone. I think we are ready to present this to the class.